The AstroAI 10-liter mini fridge is the perfect companion for your office, home, or vehicle. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine, baby formula, or skincare products. You'll be amazed by the abundance of storage options, including side baskets and 2 removable shelves that snap into place. Its 10-liter size easily fits 20-ounce bottles, milk cartons, or up to 16 12-ounce cans. A flexible temperature range from 36 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to enjoy cool drinks in summer and hot coffee in winter. Its tempered glass panel is scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and easy to wipe. No one likes water building up in their mini fridge, so we've included a catch to keep water away from your personal products. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's as perfect to use in the car on road trips as it is in your hotel or office. The AstroAI 10-liter mini fridge sets possibilities in motion to keep you going on all of life's adventures.